Welcome the our channel. Today we how to enable updating Behance project covers consistently, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable updating your Behance project covers consistently, start by logging into your Behance account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar at the top right corner of the screen. From your profile page, locate the project you wish to update and click on it to open the project. On the project page, look for the Edit Project button and click on it to enter the editing mode. In the editing interface, find the cover image section, usually at the beginning of the project setup. Click on the existing cover image to reveal the upload or change option. Select the option that allows you to upload a new cover image from your device. Choose the desired image file and wait for it to upload completely. Once uploaded, you can adjust the image's positioning and cropping as needed to ensure it fits well. After you are satisfied with the new cover image, scroll down to find the Save or Update Project button. Click on it to save your changes and apply the new cover image to your project. Repeat these steps for other projects you want to update consistently. Remember to keep cover images relevant and engaging to attract viewers. Periodically reviewing and refreshing your project covers can keep your portfolio looking updated and professional. With these simple steps, you can easily maintain your Behance project covers. Regular updates can enhance your visibility and showcase your latest work effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.